we have bad time management, it will lead to consequences. So if we have good time management, it will lead to another consequences. Well, there are some some of the downside to having a bad time management. Well, maybe like piled up tasks. Yeah, piled up tasks, and you will feel stressed and also rush when you go into certain things. And also, you will be disorganized, and you will miss some deadlines probably. You will feel disorganized because of it. So yeah, and I think also one of the things that causes sleep deprivation or lack of sleep is also your time management. Actually, I have a good sleep time management now.
Okay.
Okay. And now, yeah, basically if you have good time management, it will be all the opposite. You will step on top of your task. You will have all time in the world. You will feel like you have a control over your life, basically. Now, I'm not going to blabber here and say that, oh yeah, you don't need to, you need to stop scrolling on social media and stuff like that. Well, the first thing, if you wanted to, if you want to have a better time management, is to evaluate what are you doing in a day from start to finish. Probably it doesn't need to be really practical to the time itself, but what are you doing in a day and what are the tasks that you have in your hand. You can compile that. You can compile that up, and then also you start to prioritize some of the tasks. Prioritize what's important. Prioritize the task that is actually important. And after you prioritize them, you will eliminate those times that doesn't really necessary, those tasks that doesn't really necessary. See, no one is listening to Edra again. Now, after you eliminate, you need to also know how to say no to tasks. Okay? No, not to tasks. You need to learn how to say no to those distractions after you see. You need to eliminate, and then you need to do it actually. You need to eliminate. You need to say no to those distractions. And after all of that, one of the most important thing is that you need to rest. Because if you didn't have a proper rest, everything will just crumble apart. Now, after everything that I said, well, I know that me talking here persuade you into having a good time management is not really that convincing. Because me myself, I'm not really good at my own time management, but it's fine. We're all going to learn from it, and I know that me persuade you guys is only going to account for maybe only 10% or like even less than that, but I hope those 10% can maybe kickstart you into having a better time management, and maybe that will make you guys be more happier and relaxed. And please listen to Edra. Well, yeah, that is all that I'm going to say. I hope we all can be a better person in the future, because we all want to be a better person. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much to listening to me. I am Edra Aldrin Herlangga, and I will be seeing you in the next time. Thank you. In the next speech.